Oh, yeah. More bananas. Yeah.
I'm gonna need all the strength I can muster if I'm gonna tell Cranky he's defenseless till Monday. And what about Diddy and Candy? Oh, time to quit stalling. I can just hear Cranky now. When are you gonna learn to use your head, you big... Guess I'm learning to use my head after all. Candy's workstation. Let me see if I can remember how she said it worked. Great. Now, barrel type. Trigger barrel. Number of barrels? 2. And a couple of extras. Banana Slammer! Now to take care of Candy and Diddy. Everything is under control. Almost. Guess I pushed too many buttons. How am I gonna get 2 of these trigger barrels to Cranky? Now Cranky would say, use your head. That's it. Luster's Rocket Delivery Service. I just have to punch in Cranky's address, push the big red button, and they'll be there in no time. Now, where's the big red... Aha! Donkey Kong, you did it again.